All right, guys, so this is my fairly recently in December installed Clearview 1800, CB 1800. So put this in the corner over here. Instead of using like a wall mount, I decided to build a stand for it. So just welded up some 1.5 square tubing. And you can see on the top right here is a little yellow sensor. I built a dustbin sensor for it, so that's hooked up to the green and red lights. As the dustbin fills, gets close to the top of being full, that sensor will go off and it will switch from the green light to a blinking red light to let me know that there's dust in the bin is full. So from the dust collector itself, you can see I've got a lot of 6-inch PVC run and tons and tons of blast gates. So I'm gonna probably do like a separate video to talk a little bit about the blast gate build, but just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what we have set up here. So got a bunch of tools. The shop itself is about 63 feet long. So the main 2 trunk lines, you can see one running along the outside of the shop. And then I've got a kind of a metal shop in the middle there. So that second trunk line cuts through down through the middle of the shop and hits all of those tools there. So you'll see drops throughout for the tools in the middle of the shop. We've got the spindle sander over here, and so I'm just kind of finishing getting this one hooked up today. But just as a little bit of a demonstration, what I did is I've hooked all of the blast gates up with pneumatic cylinders, and they're all hooked up to my air compressor. So I can control each one of them, but I've got them automated, so whenever I turn on a tool, it will automatically kick on those specific blast gates that apply to that tool, opening up the trunk line all the way to the tool. So as an example, here when I kick the table saw on, you'll see it opens the specific blast gates. So we're only opening those blast gates for the tool. The way I did that was over here. So what I did is I used an Arduino Uno and a lot of wiring to put this together. So try to describe that in my next video, but thanks for watching.